Hey everyone, in this video we're going to look at the population of Colombia. In 2010, Colombia had a population of 44.2 million. The projected population in 2050 is 62.9 million. So we're going to look for what the projected growth rate, or K, is. Now, if you'll recall, in a previous exercise, we were looking at the population of India, and our projected growth rate, K, is this right here, the 0.008. That's K. It's the factor that's in this exponential function. That's K. Alright, and we've already got this solved right here, but I'm going to go through and I'm going to solve it again. So it's our population is the starting population times the exponential function with our growth rate times the time. So in this case, that's 62.9 is equal to 44.2 times the exponential function of the growth rate, and this is 40 years here. So that's 40 times the growth rate. Cool. So we take a ratio, 62.9 divided by 44.2, and that's equal to E times growth rate times 40. So 40 times the growth rate is equal to the natural log of that ratio of populations. So the growth rate is 1 over 40 times the natural log of that growth rate. Or it's the natural log of the ratios divided by 40. I like writing it as a 1/40th out in front. And the reason why you see that is, remember your properties of logarithms? This can come inside there as a 1/40th power if need be. That can get turned into an exponent. So it's nice to write it out in front as 1 over 40 for that reason. So I guess our general formula, I'm going to write the general formula here, is K is equal to 1 over T times the natural log of the ending population, A of T, divided by our starting population. Call it A naught or A of 0. Either one works. Actually, I'm going to write that as A of 0 because it looks like we've got some nice function notation there. A of 0. I've got my calculator right here, and I'm going to take and do 1 divided by 40 times the natural log of 62.9 divided by 44.2, and yep, that looks good. We'll get 0.008. So I think we're going to 3 decimals on these, so we'll call that 0.009. That's our growth rate, 0.009. And I might say nearest 10,000th. Okay, great. See you next video.